Greetings everyone, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I got some gift from subscribers. This is a tripod and I also have a light over here. They already pull it up already. I'm soon showing you what I go on in it. Go ahead right now. I have a little blade here, a stencil blade, so I'm going to use it for cut the tape and get it open. Alrighty, and then let's see what's up inside the box. Alright, so this is it. Yeah, so oops, something in the box there. Alright, this seem for drop out. I think everything would have done at this. Never know say something else would have there down in the box itself. So get out the tripod. Go take your time now, cause see that every duty tripod I may tell you say a long time more one of them because the one who made a use one little baby but he do a job still. I so show you the one who made a use before. One thing, yeah man, this is it. One thing. Alright, so I already kinda know about tripod already still, you know, so I'm new to the tripod world. Alright, so then you know if we set up the tripod on this, so I guess you go like this, screw it down. It's supposed to be like this, yeah, and then you have this thing here, screw right in here. Screw it in like him a go in, so see if it a go the right place. Yeah man. Alright, so I'm screw up here now, you know. This right here now would have been the thing where you have to put your phone in it. Alright, so this go right here, so this go right here, so thing, yeah. Alright, so the part you put your phone in, but on my phone I use to record, you know, so can't show no. Put on the phone I couldn't see it. Now I have no other phone right now. Our next phone right here. Alright, so I'll show you how to get a phone for use. Alright, so this is how it would stay. Alright, and then you know you can raise the foot them one thing and extend it up one thing. Yeah man, so a very nice tripod. Really appreciate this. Give all courtesy of my subscriber. Enough respect in every aspect. So this is it. Yeah, and let me just show you guys the other stuff, the other gifts. Just a few little tokens. Here I got a little lighter here. So if you know I go see what I go and feed, you know, but let's see, you know I go see, yeah, go. Let's see right here. You know I go see the flames because within the sun. Alright, but this nice little lighter here when I cook, and I also get a electronic lighter here too, and this one is rechargeable. Yeah, this is a very nice rechargeable. So here you power it on, and this you lock it. So very nice. See? Nice. This is the tripod I would normally use to do my videos, so I really appreciate that one when I get, because I tell you say more time I set up that one, yeah, and I put my phone on it and breeze blow it down and my phone drop while it dip on it and the breeze blow it down. Sometimes your phone will get damaged, so I really appreciate the tripod that I get and thing and the lighters them. So big up to the subscriber again, enough respect in every aspect. Yeah man, big up yourself every time. Yeah, so blessings to you. I just want to encourage all my content creator friends to invest in your YouTube journey. That's what I did maybe about 2 to 3 months ago. Yeah, I think in July I did make that purchase here. I'm gonna go ahead and buy 2 microphones. Alright, I have a mic before, but it get messed up. So here we go on. I just buy 2 of them. So if one go bad, now I have 2 of them. So this is the Alelan, and you guys can go and check this out. I'm going to leave link in description how you can purchase this mic. It is on sale right now, and you can purchase this mic. I have 2 of them, another one in this little pouch here. Yeah, so it's on sale right now, very cheap. So all content creators, go and grab one of these microphones. This can really help to change your YouTube journey in terms of the audio quality, you know what I mean? So I'm going to leave links in the description where you can purchase this, and also if you want to purchase a tripod, I'm going to leave the links in there, and I will make a small commission from whenever you purchase. When you click on the link, if you purchase, I'll just make a little small commission from Amazon too. So I really appreciate if you guys will use the link to purchase if you're going to purchase the items. And as I'm saying, please invest in your YouTube journey, man. Just get the little thing, and the simple thing them really make the thing work, you know, like the little tripod and thing, because I tell you, I buy the little tripod and it do a whole lot of videos, help me forget hundreds of thousands of views, yeah man. So really would love if you guys could do the same, invest in your YouTube journey today. So big up on yourself.